any Kasena nan kana and ebo we Kasena nan kana and a ebo and so the Presby Park. Mana FC and so the Stephens FC nebo and so on Dueno Air Division 1 League Zone 1A. And on fixtures so rum was Zone 1B na say in the city Young Apostles and the Balfour Soccer Academy and Kwanzaa Warriors and the Brekum Chelsea Unity FC and the Bofuakwa BA United and the Mighty Royals neighbor way Air Division 1 no Zone 1B and ansem and so TI air to him Jumadi no so rum was Zone 2 Mad 4 no say and a honsem and so TS rum team my friend Pacific Heroes and Nzema Kotoko de Bebom sounds na New Adobiase and Nations FC a team my friend Mysterious Dwarfs and so the Kempon Football Academy Wafa and Basake Holy Stars Swedro All Blacks and Future Stars Sky FC and Serie All Stars Nebo Asokwa Deportivo and Asakem Bebona Fe Soccer Intellectuals and Elmina Sharks and Edia Bom where Zone 2 fixtures are yede honsem at air 2 anim Samson na uram e Zone 3 a say na city na God FC and Crystal Palace and so the Bebom Liberty Professionals and Nanya Nebo A5 Rangers FC and so Uncle T United Susubribi and so Vision FC Nebo Tema Youth ne Atram Divisa Academy and so the Bebom Go for the Sompa and so any team of Tudu Mighty Jets, Ebo, Heart of Lions, and so ne Volta Rangers, and so the Bumna Fei, Akati All Stars, and so Golden Cake FC, and so the Abuma Way, and Division 1, Akachi, yes. Akachi. Yes, it's Akachi.
Anglodi Akachi.
Yes. India no, and then some of you bar. Made on some at air to any and so modern. After yenting rum, now for national issues no, Yanya Kakram from our when him Sam sir, Ghana, ye under 23 no, and so rum day, national team day near day, and so Ghana had no, and a Ghana Football Association. Kato Kraku president no and agents will be room now for the Jesus no and so akoma a man penny for no or the room or his excellency na dan kwaku for the hokomano Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so kojin die enra or san room or yen former president his excellency John Ajekum Kofo aso ye and so call represent Jesus ne kama pa and so man tu agye Kofo no and so ne gu akira bibia and so ye kama ne se kwa delegation di room ho no so ya de a na form kran to mokọ and so call akuya presentation na kama and my former president and no nsem efiri ho and so omwie na so ho omusan room ye former president John Dramani Mahama so yen so call e de Jesse no enso bi command bibia enso etimi e kama nyoma ekoyi nti omura mu e wo certain presidents one of former president no so omura mu call e de Jesse no komo mu a yen former president na sinani bibia enso ekoyi a ye de ho nsem enso e to anim enso e platform no so enti yawram na ye national issues awie no Keto Crack enso represent Jesse no Adama Mahmoud Bawumia no his excellence udin komo kakra na komodie no say na city league no enso ya suspended no teams ni bia your emergency so de o mesi akan na for keep your shape no na season start ya no ma enso atima koye e de amom na so wuram e obuna have super 4 na say na city second round no enso start weekend ya Brekum Chelsea ene Aduana FC enso na ebo ho bibia enso dam kama pa game no enso e toja Golden City Park Brekum e ho na game ne ba so a rate no enso e 20 Ghana cedis 3 pm yampo that na na game no enso e ba so amede ho nsem e de air to an ufiri ope na ese that na no Bechem United enso ni Nsuatreman FC de bebom eno e ba so enso Nsuatra ye de ho nsem enso e de air to anim e 20 series eno enso ni rate no ho a ye de ho nsem enso e de air to anim ti bono super 4 no saa na ho nsem enso city a ye de ho nsem e de air to anim enso e wadwumade no so na yenwuram na mimwuram Asante Kotoko aso ye on se e beto odwa sa Asante Kotoko ewuram wo Belize na foma kọ enso akwa kosi akan enso ho won se na omo enso cheche mu se de no masi kọ no league no na nkomo omusie mu no na nke be kọ ye be suspend league no ni akwa World Cup na ba league na nka suspend dada nti we nkomo kọ na afei omako kipi omo championship na nka no matima koye na de abeto dwa na se krata aba abonten Krata na Babonte the TN na say the Football Federation of Belize take this opportunity to inform the general public that the national team committee has decided to rescind its previous invitation for Asante Kotoko to play a series of friendly matches against the Belize national A team. At this moment, the committee is finding it extremely difficult to mobilize the national A team as the Premier League of Brazil (PLB) will be going into its final games of the opening season for the 2022-2023, and the players for the A team are drawn from the league. We apologize for any inconvenience caused. We know the tintin ni tete and say omo Belize football so chirem say omo yo majen say no me Kumasi asane kotoko enso betim asia kan we no young vacancy and committee mabo na de tie ne say omo league ne koso 2022-2023 ni ade a emu ayedin tinya de so metimi enso asuspend amanoma ento etima kwenti omo find it very difficult just say emu ayedin de amomo so metimi akeka tim na bom na afon ba abesi akene tie Kumasi asane kotoko nti saa game no mjitum so mebono tinton tan omo enso etimi atwam ntia no ene nsem afiri ho ba me de eto na we no e count the second time asane kotoko ahye so mko omo tukwan anya amaso. First one no was in Turkey amaso we Belize amaso nti this is in the no two, this is in two, but landing be na omo ne house of folk and so am say there kotoko ya na ye pa secret day na etimi asi nche ntia no ene nsem efiro bo na nka ye twan blasters ye provisional squad no so besi ne enyamba na manfo se bi omo nim se na fa so msi juju nsensem nti bi omo de squad ni sie
asomo de sie de ye beba
besi ne squad ne ma bontin so oya for no bo Holland for de no so and Ghana den de mai enom ka se 5
so mo ka se nra
besi ne mai
okay
antia ne nti no
me da se Ricardo Varas na ten nka no mame nko Mickey
Luther
ya boafo ni free mame na ya fa de kan to
we ase no yesi asem mpenipa na nipa be pasem na nipa be pasem so a wasi enya mpenifo ekukudam omo anyankopon odomankoma wadoma omo nyansa mo mutumi tenase esiesi asem ba ye de ano na eka na no emu nsem ebepia aba no ohia obi a sebe nyansa woni trim na watimi aka asem no aka ne ne no ana sompa nyankopon dama wadom ye eye ekukudam omo fie ha wasem ne bape asem mpenipa o meka wasem ne de ama na bibia so akoye na oforis wo tenase pe na bedwafo no so atenase na o maje enkonwa na wo matenase etia asem no wo mu wie a wo mabu asem no na obi aso akoma atone yem ene ya asem mpenipa eba so e wo Sompa FM Sompa TV pa cho mre no e from Monday e de kosi Friday edwada e kosi fiada anajo anase enwumre 7 ade ko ekokopem anajo na no wo motenase a efutuo wo mo betufo ebia brabia wo boye brabone wo so sesa free ho omo de efutuo ne betudwa omo wie pe na omo de omo nsama ba betudwa no so impenifo esinkonwa no mo rewura nsem ne mu ebie mu de sefata no omo de ato na obi aso akoma ato ne mene ya asem mpenyipa mepa cho o asem na ya waresem eye efiesem sikasem akwa atwenti amabufu aba waware ye egu mepa cho opese ye kama wa eye asem mpenyipa so eye wo mu nsem na wonte ase esofo wo ho so for betna so be more the quotations ne betudwa na bibia so akoye me pacha wo dia no spiritual and physical so yare ni na no asem mpenipa kuo no wo motena se a ombesese bibia ema no aye kama no bi ene peso obu 419 na ese asem no enye sa na tie opeso ochiaw wasem a waka no de asem to so na ese ohu amane a ni na no asem mpenipa ye behwe ni akama na mom oso wa asem bi na opesa odi tudwa na Sompa team no tenase na asem mpenipa ye ka edema ofefefa free producers no e was 0546 883287 0546 883287 and as a free 0243 585878 0243 585878 and as a 055 209 5593 055 209 5593 mepa cho asem mpenipa live on Sompa FM Sompa TV Mondays to Fridays 7 p.m. ni etwaja ediegum na bibia ekoye na wunim nyoma wunim bibi na wasi ebie so chewa eno tofe akwa eno ye edwada edikosi yawada from 4 p.m. edikosi 6 p.m. na yawada de no ya said that to Nidi say I want you back. Me pe obi come back to me, darling. And then you say Tofia kwa etnasia relationship bia eguo aware bia eguo nemom odon kakra o gentia dada e wo se ye kagegum sa no mo pene sa dia e wo se mo ba I want you back dwumedie no so I want you back betena say na de akomia de ya ono wo de ache no wo pese o sanso ne bobra ye be siesie asem ne kama e de ama wo de luta de ya wo no anya wo de na so still odo no wo ho ye be siesie asem no ne ya kama bom kama na I want you back ne so etumi akoso tote enti relationship mun sem bia che se ama mo relationship no akoye bibia wo ho eye sinitra se oba I want you back ne so a yɛbɛka mo abom na bibia so akoye enso ede ama me pacho ye wo season counselors season no ede sa wo de nam egu chance mu na wo de spices na egugu counseling no omo de spices akaka ho a counseling na ede ekoye nti etowa so mu pe na wo so wasesa wa adwen na afi wo dofo na nanka wo ye ebu na nitie no wo dofo na nanka wo ye apam no afi de obeje na wa tu na motimi atena na bibia akoye nti I want you back me pacho tie ni ye obetie show no every Thursday, 4 p.m. adequacy 6 p.m. 4 p.m. adequacy 6 p.m. Sompa FM. Me pacha wo pemu ncheche mu bia e time media ya frɛ 0244 809641 0244 809641 eno I want you back sa na tie aha ebi mu de ndia na akoya bibia o ba ya
okay but
get back no you don't want her back
me passing bia
okay me passing bia
but mesi aba ho na Sompa chede no wadi ho nkomo kakra ma me nko akomia so mra
okay
akomia
yes
nsem bebre na Ricardo de agu ho
of course na emi say Black Stars nsem ya na me de be sha ase other countries list about bontin who the likes of Netherlands, who the likes of Uruguay, and when me require Mike Mieti as senka players mako Adrian Sanum, ana susu say na Adrian Chen say beba bonten enye Adrian num 55 in the beba. But idea yen shen so ne say one, it is not mandatory for the Black Stars and I say GF impending for and the coaches to release the list assistants.
Enyenche.
And then she said also we release list no FIFA and the one who kwan say finalist in the bar or no betimi publish it just few weeks to the World Cup or even days to the World Cup no na FIFA nankasa the list about bonti no akwa despite say any mandatory I was a FIFA 2 weeks before the tournament also the list in the bar bonti no momo na e wo mo nsem no no so nkyere say efe nene otu adoso so nkose ba bi no mu hye kutu na ase no mu fa list bi ambra at a point in time or more free some just to prevent a backlash list no so releasing it 2 days even before the tournament come there's going to be a backlash it's hard to know ya manaka e hodo ye ne Nigeria no be explain it say special game bi ana Ghana here a qualification at all cost Inti anyways and means be a befa so be a betimi aye bi e betimi dia qualify bia no ana mo fa so a list ni mo delay bi ma ne keke kire asa na e kire ba bi kura mo de ba you fine ya qualify na we would see a Uruguay no would see na yere na we would see a South Korea na adi see na na zo na adi see no ana Uruguay na would see na na on be sha
te bi omo nye di omo ye nwie
you see as assistance definitely 85% to 95% of the squad ye nim.
Sir.
Oh, any Ghanaian. Just say be a Ghanaian on pebble. Ghanaian on pebble be a nim say 85% to 90% of the squad ye nim. Ye nim. Anu me bubo bi kire o me boa. Den a goalkeepers no. Wo Lokot Richard Ofori. Omo mienu, se fa goalkeepers 4 a. Omo mienu 2 no nko abewum.
Say de wa no no.
See a left back Barbara man Gideon Mensah omumienu a ye pa right back Denis Odoy Tarek Lamptey omo a see a center back Jiku Amate Salisu omo a ebi Alidu Seydou ni Jonathan Mensah mo na be preachira na yi ba ko ani Abdul Mumin omo ensa na de ba ko abeka ho ye lu say dey an finfin wo no Thomas Tepate any Baba Idrisu mwa ko fichire omo ana eko Kudus bekobi de da you ni nua Jordan bekobi Inaki Williams bekobi chese edin yenim iti dia na odetete edin ba na odetete new players omenya akonya dia bewuram no eno ye players aya pra ya ka bia ma omo ase mo form nka squad no na eno kra mo contemplate se mo form nka wana ma mo form nka wo omo ne hwan Salis mo eni ye hwese mfa bi nka wana ase mfa bi nka this guy that is in the Belgium league as mo jam be ka na ase bi
Asmeru
Majid Asmeru ana Kamal so omo na ye consider omo say chire de omo be kika list no so if you want to bring the list if there's going to be a backlash nya backlash in them
akumia de na mo nua
issue this so be free
e bia no mo nkomo bi omudi omunwie
nkomo bia ni ba bia nkomo omudi ane se kolom hose no do be ba be body ama blaster ono nso de mimi hu ni su player bia buru su gidigidi bia ye ni abre ho denden dia kolom hose no do emfa ne bezi akan ni su players kroma na nke ye bo ya ke ye osu bebre kolom hose no do ni su players kroma na nke ye bo ya ye bo ya
ba o memeki ene positive impact
no sanke ye bo ya we nya ibia na no na ma metwi madwe kosi so se ye ba kokobo world cup yi mahu se FM panyifo we ya no akoba omia ho His Excellency the Vice President we ya no akọ Dr. Dramani Mahama ho His Excellency past President Odema Ghana we ya no akọ Kufuado ho no the Jesse akoma no hwe de we omani abre omone nam mpanyifo so se good luck bi betimi aboa ama Black Star timi afa ne ntoma pade afra sebi manu susumi na so obi anka se Blasters wo hwemi enta na chi ana Blasters wo hwemi amfa di same energy fa nta o machi but ade amu ye league ne kura ho hia mo go league no enso hwe Blackstar ho edone e ho mrika kakra ye bedi enti onwe no mo ho ha league ed injunction atoso kamu nam sa kwan we ya so patcho pekwan bia fa kire se league ne ke resume league no because these are men with huge influence na wo mu na kwa champion mu ne Ashanti Gold mu ntia na Luther we mu kwa Ashanti Gold champion mu ntie by Blackstar there ya tam Jesse we nam ha ya kwa ne adudi abo akire ne ya koma by league na for some time now no it provided some sort of quality de ma ye emietimi bo tournament bi bo ni ye ne de yenyi adwen fan free so let's not forget our apostle is here Uncle Ben Kofi ni project oye ya Mr. Kwesi Nantechi be so mu ye ko 2006 World Cup ene shilali asuni Habib Mohammed mu na na ejije was that tournament dim
Satan no local players
they were local based players yanka se montam local based players be brain form nko pie mu katawo ani yanka se yanfa local based players dodo na gumni form ngu ka echi na mu no but se won kasa wade no so onya ho adaje na so oye na oye ni yi a ubenya so mfaso anya no samran ken na man ka hwe kamadin ni kama so wa mo ne hosonodo mo aye pre ho ese obi naturalized by hook or crook officer ka England ho aka hosonodo mo ba mai officer England ho aka ka hosonodo mo ba mai edinkatia eso o hope send the English and England national team chance no enye over into oteta or train it's a nyajeta e wo na anye ya not the Ghana as second choice these are the players you are bringing into the country
but our first option na nye kra no baso ya
omo na ba beji omo now year 2009 even players said omo kwa na 20 World Cup Daniel Eje no boti me goalkeeper no da goal post mu
Liberty by then
Ajima bedum no muntu kwan o Samuel Nkum no way enso mu na kobodje maaye o emiere mfie o we mu an ekọ ye kobodje maaye and during that time was the peak and ye say your local football no ekọ from after the 2004-2005 Confederations Cup in kotoko ne has no between 06 07 08 no na ye mo semi final ne quarters ne mo final but ne make a certain effort to be a you could see say players are not bobo kotoko ne has of no the quality was there and the league was attractive na league ni attractive it replaced any omo ko bobo those tournament ye ko World Cup 2010 na ye players we mo feed the local Simoro mu na 29 ye push omo ade omo ko romu to the senior Blasters. It even 2010 World Cup was an audition for some of the players so metima kwa kosi akan wa monone clubs and opportunities quality ben o man na na di quality ben baba man no kwa Blaster no nya nko Chelsea o no nya ntu kwan kopie mu amanone Rashid Smaila omunya opportunity akobo remu on the blaster even the local blaster no munya akonya entu kwan ba quality be no moyeye
ba per dey cause we league nim crowd and say collapse provisional one crowd ba local player bi
na league ben abo league ben pan ye bo okrom ase akwakofa player bi na ba this be division 1 and division 2 me issue ni say okwan energy na omonya omode na mo mampanyifo so hwe se black star no emua bi beba no sa nyoma no mo sa energy no ana ma tena se am ye di national to league so am ye ja league abo
me da say akomia yam fancy why ma me kwa asare bodu asare
before some share no nyoma bi nso sa wo kan bible na Timothy homa ye chemu baako de tinnum nchichemu miensa o say di oba kunafo a oye kunafo ampa ni say fani die ese ne de fata fama oba kunafo a oye kunafo ampa
oba ni kunawu agya no
exactly na no na Sompa ya tena sedin ye say ye wo ye maame mu a sabe wo mun kunum no agya mo hokọ omawu omo mma and the Ghana ye ding
papa
enti say afeni dru na say ye shefa say eye bronya bre a de pese ye ne say Sompa ni je ne ebenya wa no ene Sompa didie ne ebeye wo fie no ye ne ye maame mu kunafo no ye ne omo ye eni ntini ye de Sompa Foundation aba
okay
say ye Sompa chede no e de ama emma ekunafo na de tie ne say Terawa Media e de aba bebo abem say Sompa Foundation no this year ye the biggest philanthropical exercise ebisi wo Kumase ya ne Ashanti region da sonko edemufua na sa philanthropical exercise ya brofo ne nchechemu ane say ye chade ye adoye Sompa atede ebeba so e wa Ashanti region ha na this year no your attention ebeko one ejanka ba no eye offense no
omo maame no papa wu agya wo no
single parent wa one obi awo okunewu anase be ma no onfiu
wato asawram
good ye behwe mo ana ye maame makunafo no so ye behwe omo ye beche omo ade sene ye be ya se ye we nigie mu a ye ne omo ani beje se eye awrahuo mu a ye besan so acheche omo re ndi sa ana ye de Sompa chede no ye de aba be ka eye ye dwumedi a ye di wa ha ho enti wo tie ye o hwe e wo Sompa TV ne Sompa FM me pa chaw de yesre wa ne se bra ne betai sa dwumedi echi baakofo ne nsa enso nyame ni kata nemom ye kabomu a ye say little drops of water make a mighty ocean enti wakakrawa memede akomia de apostle de ye kabomu a ana ebetimi de dwumedi na aba be ye kra behwe enti say ya atade say iska say ye nnuane a ensei na say de ye nyanyeye enti emo bayere cooking oil ne de tin tomatoes ne de no obetimi de aba be support dwumedi me pacha utie na ka wakoma se opese wo boa fanombe na obetimi ya cash donation number no eye momo number eye 059 855 9802
okay
059 855 9802 Pacho brabeboa na opese oji ntiechemu a eno so ewu emudo
Bacho ma se obi send the number ya the two guy or send the din be ne beba
Dr. Blessed Foster
ana
Terawa Media ne so ne beba so
okay.
Na me pacho ofre a number we emema ho nkyeremu 0244 834 838 0244 834 838 and the ofre na waje ncheche mu ne nyoma so ye se o wontade na wankasa so obede beba Sompa so ye ha ye wo soame opposite in room hotel ye adjacent filling station now into bar na ode wa chede no so e de abre e wo Sompa fia Luther Kevin Kameya Kabu Ghana I think say yensua de Black Stars
for best 6 minutes we on some
Black Stars no se dede eni ho na ye nyina ye tuta echira ene koye mae. The best recent example I met me cite Ghana, Nigeria. Check the donation of messages and out. Na ya chopa. And ye na ye mrambeboa. Enti politicians ye hu Kumasi Mayor. Honorable Sampine. Or the Nwa Jim Ashanti Regional Minister. Ghana mpenifo nyina de omo anu tumu se. Die si bia no ye njai manenka. Na obia mfa na ho oden. Nenim die ne mpaebo embe tie blasters nechi. Ne ebo Nigeria kensie no. Na yenko yenim. Uhu die bai. Inkunimdie ena ne bai. Now, the conversation around the blasters ne yasisa. And if we are not smart and strategic, your best sound command from positive to negative. Now that negative commentary around the team, about bad luck at the great team no tournament, no. If we are not careful. Squad announcement. If we don't go about it appropriately, your bema radio command assessa. Squad no. Ode betujo, one fan to Joe. People will still talk about it. But kwanya obefa so abeye squad no. Kwanya obefa so ade ba betuja. And how you even come out to explain certain decisions are crucial to me. And Kameme proposes say there should be a press conference. There announces squad no, and there should be reasons given for absences and inclusions. Okay. Reasons given is say yen church mu say we say nti no be mu, we say nti no wentimi amem. Yenye say dwumadi no. Menkasa we yes and you be ankasa ho. People will still talk about it. But another this will be extremely diabolic. And I won't change him out of the no bobo atu egu no de theory diaba. Squad announcement, So we the conversation about local players and foreign players, it will still dominate. Your pay will still dominate. Let's know how we go about it. Akomi anama say 28 na was here de tuja. Anameboa. And 28 na was here de tuja for the final squad now. How do we go about it? You better establish a quota system be na. Yen did this and come on yen hu de be. 2. The squad size. I don't think it will be worth it if we name 55 players on the provisional list. You better invite unnecessary tension in the team and even their preparation.
Sir.
Player bien wade walk up akonya babe tuja onye anything possible to go. Player. So beboma on mine. Ko walk up. Now after 55 players. Unim de besi walk camp. Unim de besi. You are inviting unnecessary tension. One share the bedding kind spark or camp no if it is not managed well. Tournament to bedroom and talk crazy dada.
Na emwacheche.
Exactly.
Because so, when in a down for no ya drop it way the way come.
Enti eye ehun hia so be 55 now Ghana. Nipa ya wado. Tournament no
mo sem so cross be sen ha adwen.
Tournament no mo ko no. People have their own motives. Obi wo work up na kwa din. Obi sika. Obi opeso ye ni nyina bi. So let's not name a large squad size. Na emphasize the emfam be ra camp enye emwa. Say 35 year pa, yen 35 unko. 28 no, ne yen 7 standby. 55 players. So mu name a recipe for cacophony and disaster. Now, sikasem okay. Ghana currently dollar na saying
adu 15.
See your bot sika or mobile a feni ya befa calculator ni air conversion. Hey! And to mudi sika say come blasters in the tournament na ye tia na commodie and a dollar ne kosro.
And no crime $75,000 as an appearance fee.
I'm best started conversions. So if we don't manage these things well, you see, sika ni system nim enti enchana amount for buofu. What the all partner trotro mu neka hey nana do die obi benye bibia kan so. Because people are angry. O trigger ma kakra bi ahwe ode ade bebo. Enti se sika sem ni nya about. E wom say they might deserve it. But the way a nipa ne be react to it, one hwe here. Na enome sem na obeka good Black Stars team ne so. Let's know how we go about this very well. Minim the America, it looks like the FA is engaging in much more fanfare. There ye be hu no wo ye ni so oh yakọ present JC yakọ present way yakọ present way yakọ present way hwe man ye careful la 2014 encore ebeba 2022 this is a warning yanya careful ni antoto ye nyoma yi a 2014 encore ebeba 2022
you see what Brazil no
yes so I check it by George Boateng and say an nsem by almost say being sports pandatory issue be media minim say he has been doing this and yet being sports on kwana wakoso he has been on several international platforms say George Boateng ye nim na no agini din that an over blasters no Wabama Netherlands national team were in the Premier League. He is well respected across international media platforms. Netherlands Beba World Cup nibi. He is a good resource personnel for Netherlands national team no.
Okay.
I hope you get it. Enti sankita hundie ne wo hoda enti say bia me ne Sompa di dwuma dada. Now me ye dwuma die foforo. But tournament ba Apostle Beka atro. There have been calls to several people. Omane Sompa nya nkita obi okro ne Sompa nya nkita hundie da. But ye hiana ne services for the World Cup. Ebi ye coaches or mu coachi. Ebi ye former players. Adentia because you need quality. I was all about deliver quality first hand experience. George Boateng born Netherlands team neither. If he's sitting down to analyze issues in camp, our protocols or bet me a rim the inside source. Media house be up per quality information. Where did he attempt? But it's because the people are angry. They are better.
Kwaku,
look at the tintin in the theater and say, F no, a Juma Kessia or any Jesse presenting.
Jesse presenting. Apostle. Minim kotokoso akonto no.
Oh, wait a second.
Well,
any issue. The point is that unfortunate. Some of these things that happen, Sebi, we nipa to be our family there. You plan, you want to make sure say o club no benya opportunity. Time your league enkoso you benya baby players benya one international experience in terms of traveling experience to a country like the US, and then by making sure that space of time no benya akwenya aye training ball matches kakra send away players no oma okay can because nena court adaroma now mujitum my lord so ball no there they say me say monko na monko bo asem no ma tuegua na afede o players anya afi na mba be sha say omo etentro omo pom, and so it is good sometimes to try these things, but subsequently I twice to do so. Details about omoni omonyankita undie no any a chain some senebeya emfa enimguasie emba because I have one, I have two, this is the third one. Twatwasa club nakasa brand no any subsequently supporters go nyom ko kasa komike African region or tickets no from Crawford sell back to America no baby be at sikani near my people I beji visa ma na krata sem kranse na beji wa chocho ebasa na afedie ankosa no me can't wait to say bibia okoye bia no absolutely be see with certainty say bebaso debi but the American say ya to aso sa na edigidie next time nia bia eno ye conk emu da ho na nipa gidie wo mu no akofem. That is where the problem is. So management subsequently beyond this, now more making sure say before trips are you ni obeye bibia nenso ni besi we are some so control. But because air twice something I may bomb coco said subsequently it's in the interest of the club nankasa say basana one supporters no general public and even the corporate eyes any corporate world no na ni honti omo jankanya boni se ko go America so ko boyfriend ma good for a club ma who show name you cry who ton club no a very big market. Real Madrid ni Barcelona ni Chelsea mo even na mo competition e ko ton America so who ton club no o ma nkrofo kra ho ehun say your club be na Santi Kotoko enyo bia enani ma sesan nya tete no, and because Kotoko in recent years modern born wo famity odu ho bia na started ton club no am a cool any companies or more on mo beba one kasa club arrangement baby am kwakọ bobo no kra companies be no am be ma team no kra a pay visit na manya kwenya who see you no na start nya nkita ho. So there are a lot of business opportunities when it comes to set trips. Yeah, club I saw to me identify how best to see and see and can ye mo de but unfortunately ambassador now Mamin call for Black Star there no. Only him that mystery. Sebi Uganda yenye Ethiopia.
Ade.
Say work up no nya fi na yeko.
Okay.
What is new? What is new? Work up nya fi na yeko. So we match ado about nothing. Ya kwa ekwan be na ye fa so ye tutu ye niema si qualifier. The template is there. Sabi Uraku, Omamudi Ako work up or Uraku Yanteji. Randy Abbey is a member of the Executive Council. He's been part of the workout from 2006. Oh, they found some more who and share any experience at that level. Randy, oh, found every president on it, or yes, but every president be severe and acquisition Yanteji Executive Committee then. So, there was some level of experience. Sebase a home to your pa. Senya Joanna Humaso, Ora Kuzinati is alive. Ora Fred Papo, the first chairman of the Black Star Management Committee called 2000 World Cup, is there. And so Nyamia Yadum, Omo Munimudi. Niakosi year 2010. 2014, she see you. Look, near my name near course 2010 or 2014 do have. But because you do quarter finals in Tekataso. Okay, talk na ora ko jo monso ni ekwes na dan so talk na oti. Uni me o. About be supporters better than sika eduan uni me o. You have no idea. Oh, masa. Eya kunimdie ba ekata ni ma be so. Enti omo nyina wo hono. They are all there. The experienced people are managing this process. Ora visa free ankra. Time I call World Cup Brazil. A quite fast with the supporters come in. They say, Chief of Staff, Mami Honorable Freeman cancel your best guy and supporters are call. Why? Corporate is there in the point is that Minister no making sure say a buying sika for Sanka and a fan for Koye. Why haven't you look at Ora Mustafa also Jesse when you're not here? Jesse Musu Intina about minister. Yeah, the my minimum crying so in every president, minister, you know here. African Games, they're about for next year. What is the state as we speak now? Even kids in the Macra, minister, no also Jesse, and you know here. A minister at your caliber. Oh, Kwako, she was staff in Wako Jesse. Then Juma be brebe ohoi. African Game, what the state of the facilities? A meeting is supposed to be held because as you speak now, they don't even know the state of affairs or the state of your facilities. I've been here for a meeting. Bra meeting. Now I say I didn't grab a bus one because you wouldn't not one yamre. Emre saw to me a strategize a share come fast to name Jesse. Minister Wanya Tanko so Jesse. You're reducing Ghana and page for reducing a Jumano say a Jumana I have full to the stairs. Sebiu. Now we are calling so Jesse. Yeah, the mama me no dear omuna konho. So there's nothing wrong with that. And every president soon any mama so every president any mama suma but sector minister. Oh, a lot of things to think about. But unfortunately, Honorable Mustafa Koso Jesse wa the near break Koso Jesse. Say yeah, and I make say Sebiu say nya chumna humaso ni dwa. Anytime watch it from 2006 this year, even AFCON, you be announced squad. It's a press conference. Even when you are there, you call 2012. Stefano Vidi call you by you there. Every president have a press conference. Ebe chechirim. Enter them say sometimes you didn't who to say 7 times because you Ethiopia no.
Because the man hear me say kentina omo person be consult omo that is
say me kan homa so ni dwe. Minim. Experience be yen ton odwom. Tina Paul kan de bia no. Experience yen ton odwom. Onni a ye bisa wa hobrase kwan so na ya kirew. Na so de aka ne onim ho. Eno nche so onim ade. Because afi na omra so na so bebia na wadu no nkrofa tra ho. Nti omo ma tra ho no na bisa omo. Bi enti me say work up. Ade ye say afi ne ye call work up na. It's the same thing I said a quiet fast of 2014 it was the same thing I said I mean bless your mama because the point was that who cried there now we are vice Emma President Mills in the 2010 and two name a quiet fast this kakoya at the advance member and I drew so and it's a problem with your penny for and almost from experiences and then I drew so the affair and I hear who I hear and it's the same thing we are doing. Fred Papo, like I said, he's been through the process. Even when Oracle the chairman Crab, Fred Papo was in there. And I'm so Randy from 260, he's part of that. So what level of consultation they call with Randy Abbey is involved, he's part of them. Because Odono among them is the most experienced when it comes to Sanyamano. No, but this is in Bia or Kahun. Enti otiniema si enti tutuyena si.
Apostle waka no mfanya adwuma na.
Well, binti mi kan say so far na PPM there minim say oka no mfanya adwuma na say minim say every president respecting the power, but as to whether oka no mfanya adwuma minim. As to whether I'm concerned, I don't know about that. Alex Asante. So you see, Ora Keti effortness or what is Alex Asante who has served more than 5 every presidents. Enti as a deputy general secretary or no, those they be seeing there in charge of protocol ni nema bebre. And to no ono so nimpa. Alex has been in the OFA over more than 25 years. Wow. And the rich experience or no nti say like who bisa no. Very good question. Say omo bisa na kan omo mfa na say yem bisa no. Because sabi o enye say nipa omo ba omo FAC an obia ye new obia but obia or ye deposit or no akasa ye involved I want to see anything anti as one day ni minim problem no me say on be before be yeah me brain na aso nti so be ye me niam say na forgetting say be o call baby I be anglofo no ese oba baby na onim ho na wo ho akomia ho na wan bisa akomia na watwemu na okoba na wa ba wachi abisa akomia esa akomia mbo waso nkra na obi na no kozo ho no
so wa mu no
ba okoya we ho eno ni
me da say Jeffrey Asare the apostle na hotel nka no ebrenie obetima frɛ na ado adwen kyra ban sem bebreni abɔ ne tofa ya brobro so dia na wo ka amadwumadie ye de so aba na wie number ne 0548 931 usubetima frɛ na wode wadwen kyerɛ aba na nsem bebre ene okwam no ne a games out do oba so afisem Black Stars won sensem kotoko won sensem amemfa me first caller. Hello.
Yo, Luta King, Mayola ni.
Mayola mi enti o.
Yo, Luta King, me don bi do asewo. E ba just sports meeting no.
Meeting o.
We dey do pay and as say.
Bacho brabiem.
Me say me don bi do asewo, so you want no. O we dey do pay and as say. So as a youth football no. Sali ga me dey just out to so. So mo pay for the just the football. When you buy football here. And you to the going to move. Oh, I'm going to blast out. I'm going to blast out on go. So I'm going to go.
But I say, Udini baby are free. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Udini baby are free.
About your friend, I'm going to make a coffee. Region, go for the Abu.
Menu am enti o.
Not many people are wrong. There was na o se juma ni no mu and I said what I want omo ye ni a ni wo ni e ko ni abema o de empire ni se ya tano ye ko ye de koma ya di for abeti because ye ni say work up tab ye ni ye ko what ye ko ye ni na entin ye di kan ko na de no say after that dey ya ko ni ma tin ye no into no na dey bi ye de ko ni ma cho mu ni ye so ye di ye wu ni into mi sire mu a so mi ti mu ka cho mu no mu ni omu ti omu ko ti ye because because you see happening Ghana for you that bad blast out for what you say if you man you say you blast out the blast the boom
me da say me fa another caller odin ba bia free. Hello. Okay, I'm sorry you're ready. My friend Powerful. Udin ba bia free.
Hello.
Yes sir. Udin ba bia free.
I'm about to Facebook Hello.
Yet you.
I'm about to Facebook
Me ba twa yete wonka ya dum TV na be lowa na o kasa ye bete so kasa bete yo yeti o
the party we kakra nso me kan say Ghana squad no be empemifo squad papa me ntanko ye ka pe ni tinti bi ba
e da se udin ba bia free
so me da free man so adibia
udin
na me fajo also now the two Ghana asa mpacho asa me men also me share
ba to ko Facebook page wa ye de ato bebre okay ye be sorry so be sa de ato dwama udin ba bia free oh
hello
Mr. Lowa TV ni maye
ma free ko kura
okay udin ba bia free
pacho tuba sentiment boss ko
yentiu
e peli fo no kwa nyama nwa kwa mu blaster na so ko ba na so ye be pacho bia o enya bre kom di yen so ba create a christian thing that others we na ye ye ba sa fan tawo so kan ke mo nte e fa best material ye fan ko ai e da mo ase mo munyi juma
yes ye da se udin ba bia free okay then she say bit ma fa another caller. Okay. Udin ba bia free. Hello.
hello
Udin ba bia free.
afuna ku fonu ga fa fun
Yentiu.
but Ghana football na ka e te gu no e te gu Ghana football hello
Yetiu pa. Mr. Ofra no Lowa TV set no. De obeka bi ebete yeso ekasa obete. Udin ba bia free. Okay. Best say obetimi afre number ni 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Mamemfa another caller. Udin ba bia free. Hello.
Hello.
Udin ba bia free.
Acha family.
Ma wona so kakra ma ye. Yeti o.
Hello.
Me ba che te wonka, udin ba bia free.
Acha family stay here.
Sister ba cho yeti o.
Family stay here.
Sister ku ba che te wonka kasa.
Hello.
Oh. I'm say network no e ha adwene but ofre na etuma ye be fa na ya hwe. Ma me say step. I'm for another caller. Udin ba bia free. Hello. Okay.
good afternoon
Good afternoon, boss. Udin ba bia kasa free.
Fabri as ni Brukum
Fab me and you.
Brubai blaster ne de ma mo fan koye the people we have in people so be magana ye because that creates money na no mo de
Yeah, that's it. Menua. Udin ba bia free.
hello good afternoon
Good afternoon, boss.
but them ni no the first number
Yeti o. Yeti o menua. Oh. Udin ba bia free. Hello.
hello
Ba cha udin ba bia free.
me ka so free da ko
Yenti o.
that match number you say call up number me ka ka fa
Okay.
oda squad o de ko ya mata nti nipa 50 mo de ko mo nipa 50 mo pe mu 25 at say nti mu keep players na ere o me ko pass that time the obi ko problem yeah the for Japan e be film so because if I do more 25 that's over 35 now when you move here better because they keep us obi ko plan na I wait na munya somebody blaster no eye politics ni adem obi a the player for so de no kokobo and so obi o bet na say man
me da say yentimi for friend ni bia biem na modaro mama na mo pe eye betting code no code ni U1 EE 1B 139 pacho tie ni biem U1 EE 1B 139 and another code no sini U1 EE 1A 8BB U1 EE 1A 8BB Yabedo bibi ase from Monday to next Saturday money atena adidwuma ade wa hyase bia no na wie ye ne ote Apostle Jeffra Sarenka Michael Akomia the sports messiah motene kasaso Michael Asaribuodu motene nka Ricardo Varas ede afisembre midin ede Lutakin Minua Abudiabi ene o eja Central Region oye ne na ye rade nka no production no nas Orlando MCR Oboyi money school fees omne boaye ye do bibia se ye sorry adum se tinkwam a Monday anopa 7 to 7:30 shaye ebo 9:30 to 12 ebe sign the full time no eda be down erade entinanim enchero yakra